Welcome to myprojectwizard.com. This is our project title, Knowledge-Based Resource Allocation for Collaborative Simulation Development in a Multi-Tenant Cloud Computing Environment. And this is our abstract. Cloud computing technologies have enabled a new paradigm for advanced product development powered by provision and subscription of computational services in a multi-tenant distributed simulation environment. A systematic framework for monitoring, analyzing and improving system performance is proposed in this research. Specifically, a radial basis function neural networks is established to transform simulation tasks with abstract description into specific resource requirements in terms of their qualities and quantities. Additionally, a novel mathematical model is constructed to represent the complex resource allocation process in a multi-tenant computational environment by considering priority-based tenant satisfaction, totally computational cost and multi-level load balance. To achieve optimal resource allocation, an improved multi-objective genetic algorithm is proposed based on the least achieve and the K-mean approaches. And this is our project data flow diagram. First, start the program and registration of tenants in their periods and the deadline for the deadline guarantee services to give the premium registration for the tenants. And if after the registration the tenants, based on their registration, we have to upload the files like if it is a file or if it is images or if it is just a image message posters, etc. Then if we have to uploads into the cloud, then cloud after receiving the cloud will decide to which the operation will send it to the which of the server. After switching, there are the multiple switches in the cloud server, like switch 1, switch 2, switch 3. And so the switches having the different servers like file host server, message server and social media servers. If it is the based on the return uploads, it will be allocated to the specific server. After the specific server is sent to the load balancer, the load balancer get the resource of the virtual machines in the cloud services, and with the resource after getting the resources, we have to find out the overloaded and underloaded server for the each switches. After find out the resource of the servers, we have to decide to store the storing of the files. After deciding the storing of the files, we have to reallocate the files because of the overloaded server is the server is if it is overloaded to the underloaded server to send it to the underloaded server, and then close the program. Let's see demo of our project. Click home.java and right click on it and select run file option to run the home window of our project. After we have to click the home page run window, then the home page of our window is displayed in the screen. Then click the button to view the number of options. First click here to tenant logins, click here to assign cloud server, and click here to for load balancing. First we have to register the tenant logins. Enter the ID of else you want to register new. You have to register new tenants and type name, password, retype the password, and the location. And register here. Register successfully and go to the login. After getting the login button, you have to enter the ID and the password and sign in. If you already sign in into the system, have to sign in into the www the username. You have to select. Now if you register the tenant to specifications, we select the specifications like social networks or portals or anything. You have to select social networks. You have to give the date of the period to getting the services of the cloud. So you have to give the date and get the amount of the pay, and after getting the pay, you pay the amount, the payment successfully, and then select the file to upload into the server. You can select this image and the image is displayed in the screen, and then enter the post details like image, give the post name, post name is given, and then upload the picture into the social network data. After getting that in, then close the function and click here to view the request, or enter another one like sign in. We have to sign in that. If it's a file host server testing, and select any file and upload the file into the database. Close the file and then assign the server to receive the details, and www meters or send the request to the server and assign the server. It's assigned to the server 2 and it's assigned to the server 3, and store it in the server. Stored successfully. Closed and click here to load. Now you have to check the load balance of the server. Check the switch 1. Switch 1 server 1 is not overloaded, and also server 2 is not overloaded. Check the server 2 and the switch 2, and the switch 2 server 1 is not overloaded and also it's also not overloaded. And then check server 1, server 3, server 1 of the switch 3, and the server 2 of the switch 3 is not overloaded. Then reallocate it successfully. And thanks to listen this video.